Market highlights. Weekly market turnover averaged up to $2.2 billion, being higher by 19% compared to last week, where daily turnover hovered around $1.9 billion. The top turnover generators were JKH, Capital Alliance, Haley's Fabric, H&B and Haley's. JKH witnessed a significant foreign selling during the week. Local news. The government has taken a decision to increase the number of electric vehicles when importing, to be in line with the plans to implement large-scale renewable energy projects to meet 70% of the targets by 2030. Since electric vehicles are becoming a trend and prices are also gradually decreasing, demand can be expected to increase. Sri Lanka is seeking foreign investors for an electric bus pilot project in Colombo, which will be implemented as a domestic and foreign joint venture, and will remain that way until the invested capital gets recovered by the investor. Tourist arrivals during the first 6 days of September marked 23,000, and we can expect the total arrivals from this month to pass 125,000. This will allow the country to cross 1.5 million arrivals by the end of the year, since the year-to-date number is already over 927,000. Moreover, to boost the tourism sector, a new program is introduced by the cabinet, known as the Digital Nomad Visa, where applicants with a minimum monthly income of $2,000 would be eligible to stay in Sri Lanka as remote workers. The application fee is set at $500, and it covers the visa holder's spouse and dependents. Tea production indicated growth in the first half of this year, with an increase of 2.6 million kilograms compared to the same period in 2022, owing to the availability of fertilizer. Sri Lanka's tea exports showed resilience, as the first half of this year reached $635.5 million, a 10% increase. Litro and Lofts announced a price hike for LP gas, which is in line with the surge witnessed by global gas prices. Through this stance, we can expect Lofts gas to perform better in the next quarter with revenue growth. Corporate news. Jot Holdings reached another milestone by opening a new binder manufacturing plant in Haryana. This enables the company to meet the growing demand for emulsion products and solidify its position as a leading player in the paint industry. Colombo Port City signed a MOU with MasterCard's City Possible platform for the development of Port City. They will collaborate to explore new models of urban innovation for Port City Colombo. As a consequence, this would influence more FDIs to Sri Lanka and uplift the tourist position while creating more job opportunities. Asiri Surgical has successfully performed TAVI, which is a complex heart procedure that can replace open heart surgery. Since this new treatment has a positive aspect to it due to being safer, despite being expensive, it is likely that patients will consider this option. HNB announced plans to raise up to Rs 12 billion via a debenture issue, where they expect to raise 8 billion at an issue price of Rs 100 per debenture, and a further 4 billion worth of debentures will be issued in the event of an oversubscription of the initial tranche. Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you in next week.